Hello everyone, this is Paige Marks, and I will be joining you guys today to update you on my Module 6 reflection and going through the Unit 3 and Unit 4 Google training foundations, I think it was, foundations. I thought they were really interesting. The Unit 3 for me was just learning how to organize Google Drive and Google Docs and how to use those effectively. And then Unit 4 was my favorite. Something that I learned in that unit was how to use the Google translations within the Gmail. And I thought that was really fascinating. I don't think I knew that prior to doing those trainings, where you can type a message to a student's parent who may not speak the same language, maybe they speak Spanish at home and they don't know much English, but you need to contact them and talk to them about something. You can get on Gmail and type in a message in English and translate it to a different language for them to understand. And I thought that was just really, really helpful within the classroom setting. I personally know, working at the elementary school that I do, there's a lot of Hispanic families, and sometimes it's a struggle to be able to communicate with them. And so I think this translation option within the Gmail is fantastic, and I think it'll be used a lot. Um, and also for being certified in this training, I think it would be really beneficial, and it would help be marketable as a teacher going into education. I think I would definitely consider taking this training and being certified. I thought it was really helpful, so I would do it for sure. Um, and the second question, being able to describe the Google, I think it was Google Slides, Sheets, and then presentation. I chose Google Slides, and I'm going to compare it to PowerPoint. And I thought the Google Slides was really, really similar to PowerPoint. They're both really easy to use, self-explanatory. But the Google Slides, for me, it had a lot of options that were already set up for you in the templates and things like that, so it was a lot easier to use. So I think that's probably why I would choose Google Slides probably over PowerPoint. So thank you.